Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic Chinese dish that I bet many of you have heard of before. Fish-Fragrant Shredded Pork, or Yuxiang Rousi. Look at this beautiful dish. Glossy, packed with color, and that sweet and sour aroma just hits you right away. If you love bold flavors, this one is going to make you crave an extra bowl of rice. Alright, let's get started. This is a shredded pork. We are going to marinate it now. Before marinating, make sure it's washed clean and well drained. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of white pepper, a tablespoon of cooking wine, and a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Use a hand to work it in. Make sure every piece soaks up the flavor. Next, crack in half an egg white. This will keep the pork super tender. Mix it in well. Then add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, so it locks in the juices. Finally, coat it with a thin layer of oil. And we are done with the marinade. Now let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, about 10 grams of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of aged vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of MSG, 150 milliliters of water, and half a tablespoon of potato starch. Give it a good stir until smooth. This sauce is the soul of the dish. For the veggies, we've got the red pepper strips, green pepper strips, and some wood ear mushrooms. And for aromatics, just a bit of chopped scallion, minced garlic, and sliced ginger. Okay, everything is ready, let's cook. Heat up some oil in the wok until it's nice and hot. Here's a little trick. Dip a chopstick in, and if it bubbles right away, you are good to go. Add in the marinated pork strips, and quickly separate them. Don't stir too long. Once the color changes, take them out. Now a little oil in the wok. Add a tablespoon of chopped chili and a tablespoon of Pixian doubanjiang. Keep the heat low and slowly fry it until that deep, rich aroma comes out. Then in go the scallion, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Next, toss in the veggies. Turn the heat up high. Stir fry until they just start to soften. Then add the pork back in. Pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. And stir everything together until the pork and veggies are coated in that glossy, tangy sauce. Right before taking it out, drizzle in a tablespoon of chili oil for their extra shine and fragrance. And there it is, ready to serve. Look at that! Every piece of pork and every strip of veggies is glistening, coated with sauce. If you love that sweet and sour kick with a little heat, I'm telling you, you are gonna need at least 2 bowls of rice with this. Let me try a bite. Oh wow, the pork is tender, the sauce is balanced, sweet, sour, and a little spicy. It's just perfect with rice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.